Op het moment rijd ik ergens boven Venetië door het prachtige Italiaanse landschap. Ik moet me aan het einde van de dag melden in Bologna. In een nabijgelegen stadje heb ik een passagier, Gilberto, opgepikt die onderweg is naar Venetië.
You live in?
I live in Venice.
In Venice.
Yes.
And
I can't help you about the direction in the highway because to me is completely another town.
Really?
Mestre.
You never come outside of Venice?
Yes, I come outside, but I can't understand which is the right direction.
Aha.
So for us, for Venetian, everything out of Venice is country.
Yeah?
Even if you live in London or in Rome.
So where do you have to go now?
We are going to the shipyard, one of the oldest shipyard in Venice that builds gondola.
That's your workplace.
That is one of my working place. Everything about the maritime, Venetian maritime heritage.
So you are like an authority when it comes to
More or less, yes.
maritime
Sì.
history.
Sì.
And why is that history and why is it so important for you?
But because unfortunately nobody care about this.
No?
No.
In Venice?
No, in Venice.
But Venice is about boats, of course, the gondola, you know, Venice is
Yes,
for a
but
big part also boats.
for us gondola is like a car. So when the gondola is old, we throw away.
Really?
Yes. When your car is old, you don't put in the museum. You just go to the shipyard, take a new gondola, and leave the other there.
So
For this reason, we have not old gondola in Venice preserved.
no? What does feel more comfortable for you then? Being in a boat or in a car?
Being in a boat.
Yeah.
Yes.
A car is
To me, the car is something. It is like the UFO, no?
Yeah. Now we are entering
We are entering in Venice.
Venice.
So now you have to forget the cars,
We have to leave the car somewhere.
leave the car somewhere.
Venetië, de wereldberoemde stad met ruim 270.000 inwoners en dat ieder jaar gemiddeld zo'n 30 miljoen toeristen verwelkomt. De stad die bekend staat om de romantiek en de vele kanaaltjes. En dé manier om die kanalen te bevaren is natuurlijk met de kenmerkende gondels. Je kan niet met je auto Venetië in, dus ik stap even uit om met Gilberto mee te gaan naar zijn werk. Het kost me misschien wel wat kilometers, maar ja, een gondelwerfbezoek in Venetië is natuurlijk een buitenkansje.
Ah, and here she is. This is a typical Venetian gondola.
Yes.
If you look at it, what is it for you?
Now, to me, it's a piece of art, but it's also a piece of maritime architecture. You know, sometimes form doesn't follow function.
No.
Because the gondola is completely opposite. To me, it's the absurd boat.
Yeah.
Because it's too long, it's unsteady, but carries 16 people.
But why is it here then?
Because I think everything in Venice is special. Must be exaggerated, elegant, dangerous, expensive. Sometimes in the life happens something that you can't explain easily, but you just understand that it's possible to do something not only for money, for to save money, but also for the beauty.
Na al die interessante verhalen over gondels kan ik het natuurlijk niet laten Gilberto te vragen om ook een stukje te gaan varen.
Romantic tour.
I feel a lot of romance. What is it like to live in Venice now?
Sometimes it's very difficult.
Yeah?
Because, for instance, if you buy a washing machine, you keep in mind it's not easy to have at home, but you must have a boat, and there are the stairs. It's everything expensive and complicated.
Yeah.
Now it's more expensive because the tourists. You know, there are 30 million of tourists per year.
30 million.
30 million, and the inhabitants decrease.
Is it then that it became like one big theme park for adults?
Yes. And many people ask me when, at what time Venice closed, because they don't believe it's
Really?
yes.
They don't believe people actually live here.
actually living.
What do you think Venice will be like in 10, 20 years then?
Disneyland.
But that's a sad thought then.
But you know, the tourist is like a poison. You know, it becomes a lot of money, but it's dangerous for normal life.
Yeah.
Bene.
Thank you very much.
Sì. Ciao.
Thank you very much.
No, it's a pleasure. It's to me.
For all the information, the gondola in Venice won't be the same for me anymore.
I hope so, because it's important to understand. Only inhabitants can explain.
Yeah.
Living here.
Great. Thank you, Ken.
Grazie.
That was a romantic moment. I feel a lot of love. Like they said. Okay.
Bye. Ciao, ciao.